Vince and Gabe Ismert first met in 1980-something. As young brothers, they faced off in many impromptu wrestling matches. However, later in life, they joined their forces for good. With big pipe dreams, the Ismert brothers quit their early careers to enter the world of plumbing. In 2015, they founded Striem, a unique plumbing product manufacturing company located in Kansas City. Welcome. I'm Tucker, host of Talking Tanks with Tucker. On this episode, we will be sitting down with Vince and Gabe to explore the power behind the canoe. As young men, you both had big dreams and an eerily similar sense of style. And now you're here, 7 years later, with bigger dreams and still the same sense of style.
Kidding.
Welcome back. How did Striem start?
Striem started in 2015. We spun off from a local company called Shear Products, where we purchased their 3 product groups: oil separators, solids interceptors, and the acid neutralization tank line.
Where did the name Striem come from?
Striem is an anagram of our last name, Ismert.
What makes Striem different from the other companies out there?
I think we're trying to bring a fresh approach to the plumbing industry. We have a really simple formula that we try to follow, which is build quality products, ship them on time, and provide damn good customer service. And it's a promise to ourselves to continue to exceed our customers' expectations.
We have been able to build our team from the get-go, so find each person, interview each person, and build a team environment and a culture that I feel really sets us apart. Fun vibes and super laid-back atmosphere here.
I think one thing that really makes Striem unique is that none of the people we've hired have ever worked in this industry. So you have a ton of ideas just clashing together in a good way.
Why is the Striem logo a canoe?
One morning on the way to work, I heard this newscast about how the Native American term for Missouri, the meaning of it is land of the big canoe. So we wanted to kind of go back to our roots and use a canoe in our logo. Kansas City has a very rich history of rivers, and actually right down the street from where our company is located is the confluence of the Kansas and Missouri River. So there's a lot of meaning there.
Did you get along when you were younger?
We did. A lot of wrestling matches. There was a very loud and rambunctious house with 10 kids running around, but
Let's just say we got it out of our system.
for now.
When can we get a new host for Who has the better beard?
That's
Thank you. I was going to say the same thing.
I've got a bald patch right here.
When you were 5 years old, what was your dream job?
5. First memory was 6. So currently my dream job in retirement, and that's to mow grass on a golf course.
Mine was to play for the Kansas City Royals, and it was my dream all the way until 8th grade. maybe even freshman year of high school. But then I got cut from the high school baseball team, so that dream died.
I didn't know that.
Plumbing began.
To learn more about the world of plumbing at Striem, I hit the shop floor with Vince and Gabe.
What has been the biggest learning opportunity as an owner?
Finding good people and retaining them.
What motivates you as an owner?
I'm motivated when everybody comes to work and is excited to work and make our customers happy.
Describe Vince in 3 words.
Honest, transparent, and humble.
Vince, same question for you.
Bulldog, early, executor.
I think it's executor, but that might be a different thing. How has Striem evolved over the last few years?
Any company, I think in the early days, it's a little bit of a Wild West mentality. As you grow older, you have to figure out processes to get things done more efficiently and to scale better. We've done a lot of that with our shop build out, hiring better people, and we've come a really long way.
How do you keep the environment fun at work?
We try not to take things too seriously. I know we're a manufacturing company, but that doesn't mean the day-to-day has to be a grind. So we really try to focus on employee happiness, whether that's a beer fridge, a ping pong table, some peripheral items like that. But also we want people just to enjoy the company they have here and enjoy coming to work every day.
What are the plans for the company moving forward?
I think a continuation of what we've built over the last 7.5 years, pressing on and keep innovating, keep designing and tweaking existing products and hiring the best people.
We are looking to continue to strategically focus on the products that we offer, and we think growth will naturally follow. Let's just say we got it out of our system. Isn't that right?
Roast meat.
Do another question.
Is this like cut 12?